To answer the question, what's so cool about manufacturing, we went to Carlisle Construction in Carlisle.
And it's pretty neat taking a material and melding it into, just a molten form and forming it into something different. So
It began with the outside silos full of raw materials. Those materials were moved via a tube system into the plant. Powders are mixed in specific proportions and pellets are sifted for specific size uniformity.
So for me, the biggest driver of why I wanted to look at manufacturing is I love being able to go to the lab and test something new, but then also come over here and run a larger scale of trial at the plant. I really enjoy seeing my work go from the lab scale up to the large scale and then eventually out into the market. What's really cool about manufacturing to me is nothing ever goes according to your plan.
I enjoy the excitement that every day is different. No day is ever the same. Every day is always exciting.
Pellets are then melted, mixed, and run through an extruder to form the membrane. Frequently, that membrane is joined with another component such as fleece or Velcro to make an even more durable and easy to install roofing material. Once they are joined, they are measured and rolled. A series of very smart robots take the rolls and machines, gather the 4 rolls together, wrap those 4 rolls, and then transfer those rolls to be moved to storage by forklift. With such a diversity of products, there are many occupations needed to fill their roles. If you'd like to be in on our project from beginning to end, then perhaps Carlisle Construction is the company for you.
The coolest thing is to see the process go from beginning to end, to see what it starts off as maybe little pellets until it becomes a sheet that's actually